All right, here's an easy question. What happened to yesterday's big, beautiful stock market rally? Joining us now is Brian Brenberg, co-host of the Big Money Show right here on Fabulous Fox Business, and our Gerri Willis, Fabulous Fox Business correspondent. Give Brian a look at. I'm going to give Gerri a moment off here.
She's been working hard for you lately.
She has. Stocks up, stocks down. All right, Gerri, what happened to the big, beautiful rally?
Well, you can't have a gain of nearly 3,000 points in the Dow and expect to hold on to it. Come on.
Really?
Stocks don't grow to the sky. That's what the traders told me.
That's it, Brian?
What's
behind it?
The market right now is not showing a lot of love for Trump's tax bill. Not showing a lot of love on the good inflation read either, which sort of surprised me a little bit because that came. Look, I thought it might be a pretty good read. But when I saw that this morning, Larry, and you had a 1/10% decline month over month, nobody was looking for that. That's pretty darn good news.
That's just to add to it. Let's stay with this. Last night, they got the budget resolution done in the House, okay? You know, miracles happen. Actually, it was a senator, John Thune, who helped get it over the edge, working with Speaker Mike Johnson. And that means the tax cuts are going to get through. They're going to get through, okay, because the Republicans have the Senate and reconciliation will pass. So that's so bullish for growth and corporate profits, which is the mother's milk of stocks. Plus, it'll be real because the inflation numbers surprised on the downside. And I'll get both of you that oil prices and gasoline at the pump, which fell in March, are going to keep on falling. Oil prices down to $60 wholesale.
Gas tanks are going to be happy as a result of that. I think what happens.
Consumers will be
happy. Good for stocks.
It is. But look, I mean, we had a historic day yesterday. Okay, so. I'm with Gerri. The day after historic day, there's a lot to sort out. If your portfolio just went like this and like this, you've got to figure out the next day. Okay, the growth story there is really important. And I do think the market's discounting just how meaningful it is that they got this blueprint done. Because you're right. When you get the blueprint done, the rest of the story is written basically. It's just a question how fast it's going to be. But you've got a setup here of lower inflation, stronger growth prospects, a good jobs number last week. So unless you're really, really scaring yourself about this whole tariff story, you should see more growth, more profit growth on the horizon. I just think the market right now has, very myopic glasses on, and all they can see is the day-to-day movement on the tariffs, Larry. But I think that's going to fade here because the president has basically shown his hand on what he wants to do. It's mostly about China and making friends with everybody else. That's a good story.
Yeah, we're the big winners here, the American market. We're the big winners here. China's the big loser here. And also, on top of all that, at the cabinet meeting, Trump suggested that if he needs another 90 days pause, he'll use it to make these deals. So people are myopic.
So, look, all he needs are a couple of good deals, and then the market's going to stop paying attention because they're going to assume that everything else is just happening along. I want to say one thing about taxes. This is critical in my view. I'm so pleased to see what's happened. We're talking about it the wrong way. Yes, it's a tax cut, but if it didn't happen by the end of the year, it would be a massive, unprecedented tax hike.
Right. Is that what they want?
Yeah.
$4.5 trillion tax hike?
That's what I'm talking about.
We're giving it to them on a silver platter. Investors.
You guys are laughing at me, but it's really serious.
No, it's a key point.
I'm not laughing at you. I just think the market knows Trump well enough. I think they've baked some of that in. That's the problem. You don't get as much juice from something you know Trump's going to get done. And it was not clear.
It was not clear that was going to happen, though. I don't think you could have said absolutely.
He's going to muscle it through.
I'm glad
That's my view.
I'm pleased.
Then I read some of these headlines, so now people are worried about China. I don't want to worry about China. I don't really care. China's making all the wrong moves. The China economy is imploding, and it's going to get, because she has made the wrong move. She is a megalomaniac. He's emperor, okay? He's not even a communist. He's just the emperor. People traveling to China who have good connections tell me this time and time again. So he's ruining that country, okay? That's not my problem, all right? That's his problem. We're going to do just fine because the rest of the world is coming our way. That's also part of this deal. It's like she is 12% of the world economy. If you look at the United States and you put our allies in Japan and EU and new friends like Vietnam.
Australia. 56%. That's 50% of the global market. They have 13.
So I'm just saying, these are good. I don't care about China right now. I just love these big, beautiful tariff deals.
Well, I think in the long term, you're going to win because the stuff you're paying attention to, Larry, is the good growth stuff. China's problem is they got to figure out what to do with about $300 to $400 billion worth of product that the U.S. is not going to be buying as much of. That's not a U.S. problem. We can figure that out. We're going to have friends all around China we can buy that stuff from in the short term when we make these deals. Who's China going to sell it to? Where's a big enough economy where they're going to go? I'll tell you where they're going to try to go, and the Europeans, I think, are nervous about this. They're going to try to dump all this on Europe, which is why I think Europe is trying to play nice with us right now, because they know what's going to happen. They want to get on the right side.
Just like the car business, they're dumping those cheap EVs on Europe, and Mercedes-Benz is screaming, and they should scream. By the way, the whole Trump program, the symphony of Trump policies, as you put it, that it will boost world growth. And, Art Laffer has made this point also a number of times. When the United States does these things, others follow. We learned this in the Reagan years. When Reagan started cutting taxes, all of a sudden at the G7 meetings, they looked at our growth rates and they said, how did you do it? Oh, tax cuts. So they all went home and started cutting taxes. Something similar may happen here. You may see a loosening of the European sclerosis, for example. North American free trade may flourish, for example. And our new Asian friends, they don't like China any more than we do.
Yeah, and China is surrounded by countries that don't like them.
Right.
And also the EU, would be interesting if they made these moves. They've got leadership now in place that would want to go in that direction, I think, for the first time in some time.
All right. There you go. It's going to be bullish. We're going to turn this market around. Gerri Willis and Brian Brenberg, thank you very much. Again,
Thanks,
you
Larry.
catch Brian along with his co-hosts, Taylor Riggs and Jackie DeAngelis and Dagan McDowell on The Big Money Show, weekdays, noon to 2 p.m. Eastern, right here on Fabulous Fox Business. And we love Gerri Willis wherever she shows up. Amen.